Dear students, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the next topic in a unit number 15, that is called as the polymers, or it is also called as what? Biomolecules. Clear? Today we discuss here the question classification based on intermolecular forces. It means question asked in examination, write down the or explain the classification of polymer based on intermolecular forces. Clear? So first of all, what is the intermolecular forces? What is intermolecular forces? So it is defined as those forces which is present in between two atoms. Those forces which is present in between the two atoms, which is held together two atoms in a molecule, which is held together two atoms in a molecule called as intermolecular forces. In a simple language, the force between the two molecules is called as intermolecular forces. And it may be different types of forces. It may be hydrogen bonding forces, it may be polar forces, it may be van der Waals forces, depend upon the two atoms. Clear? Okay. So on the basis of forces, the polymer have a different types. Clear? Okay. So first of all, on the basis of intermolecular forces, the polymer have a different type. First of all, what? A elastomer. What? Elastomer. Question also asked in examination. Question बेटा ऐसे भी आएगा आपको, define the elastomer, define the fibrous polymer, define the thermoplastic polymer, define the thermostatic polymer. Depend upon the question. Clear? Question के हिसाब से आपको उसके आंसर लिखने. क्वेश्चन 2 मार्क्स के लिए पूछा गया तो कितने एक्सप्रेशन लिखेंगे आपको समझ में आना चाहिए. क्लियर? अगर डिफाइन पूछा तो हाफ मार्क्स डिफिनेशन, हाफ मार्क्स एग्जांपल. एक्सप्लेन पूछा है तो define with example. Clear? Okay. Now we take the first, define the elastomer. It is an example of what? It is an types of polymer based on intermolecular forces. So A is called what? An elastomer. What is elastomer? Define the elastomer. The substance which contain a tensile stress and which have elastic in nature. The polymer which contain tensile strain and have elastic in nature called as elastomer. Called as elastomer. Clear? And these substance when we force it become a rich, it will be elastic, and when we restore the force it change into its original position. So it is called as what here? What here? Elastomer. For example, the best example is what here? Rubber. Rubber is the best example of elastomer polymer. Clear? Okay. For example, vulcanized rubber, bonized rubber, Bohnian rubber, and the third is what? Neoprene. This three example is what is called elastomer. Clear? What is vulcanized? Define the what is the vulcanized rubber? The rubber which have the higher tensile strain and higher elasticity is called as the vulcanized rubber. Second example, Bohnian. Bohnian is the one type of a organic compound called butadiene. Bohnian is called as butadiene and is called as styrene. So short form Bohnian means butadiene styrene rubber. Next, Bohnian. Bohnian means butadiene and called as what? Neoprene. Or and called as what here? What? Nitriles. And called as what here? Nitriles. And third example, neoprene. It is all example what here? Elastomer. Clear? The polymers contain what here? Elastic in nature called as the what? Elastomer. And these types of elastomer polymer contain a less intermolecular forces, that is called as the less van der Waals forces. The one types of forces, van der Waals forces. Clear? Okay. Now we take the second type, B, fibrous polymer. What? Fibrous polymer. The question asked in examination, define the fibrous polymer. So it is defined as those polymer which shows thread-like structure, and have higher hydrogen bonding and higher tensile strength. Have a higher hydrogen bonding and higher tensile strength as compared to elastomer, called as fibrous polymer. For example, polyamide. It means compound contain amide group. Which compound contain amide group? Example, nylon 66, nylon thread called as the nylon 66, comma nylon 6, clear? Then comma polyester. Example, the compound which contains ster group. Which compound contains ster group here? Terylene, dacron. Clear? Okay. Now we take a third, thermoplastic polymer. Define the thermoplastic polymer. Clear? So simple. It is defined as those polymer when we heat it become a soft, and when it cool, it become a hard, called as thermoplastic polymer. For example, what? पॉलीथीन. अगर बेटा तो पॉलीथीन को बर्न किया, पॉलीथीन को, तो वो सॉफ्ट हो जाती है हिट करने के बाद, और कुछ देर बाद अगर उसको मतलब एयर में रखा तो क्या हो जाएगी? वो हार्ड हो जाएगी. सो इट इज एग्जांपल ऑफ व्हाट यार? थर्मोप्लास्टिक पॉलीमर. These thermoplastic polymer have a higher intermolecular forces as compared to elastomer and fibrous polymer. Example, polythene, polystyrene, पॉलीविनील क्लोराइड, कॉल्ड एज पीवीसी पाइप. अगर पीवीसी पाइप को हमने बर्न किया तो सॉफ्ट होता है, और 10 मिनट के बाद क्या होता है? फिर वो हार्ड हो जाता है कूल करने के बाद. ठीक है? ओके. नाउ वी टेक द नेक्स्ट, the thermosetting polymer. The thermosetting polymer is opposite to thermoplastic polymer. So define the thermosetting polymer. So it is defined as those polymer when we heat it does not soft, and when we cool it does not hard. So it is called as what here? So it is called as thermosetting polymer. Clear? Okay. For example, bakelite, urea formaldehyde resins. Clear? This too is an example of thermosetting polymer. अगर इसको हमने बर्न किया बेटा, तो बर्न करने के बाद ये दोबारा जो है तो कूल, ये सॉफ्ट नहीं होगा, और दोबारा उसको कूल होने के बाद वो हार्ड नहीं होगा. उसको thermosetting polymer. Clear? Example clear. Now question asked in examination, define the elastomer, define the fibrous polymer, define the thermosetting polymer, thermoplastic polymer, or explain the classification based on the intermolecular forces. Clear? Simple topic है, ये टॉपिक बुक में दिया, आपको पढ़ना है, इसकी नोट्स तैयार करना है. Now we take the next topic here. Next question, what we take the next question here? Explain the classification based on different monomer, or explain the classification of polymer based on what? Different monomer. You know, polymer is prepared with the help of monomer. Monomer may be a same kind, or monomer may be a same type or different type, depend upon the polymers. If we take example of addition polymer which contains same monomer which are repeated together to form our polymers. Clear? If we take the example of condensation polymer, these polymer which contain a different kinds of polymer. So on the basis of types of monomer, the polymer also classified into two types. two types. First is called as what here? Homopolymer, and second is called as what here? What? Copolymer. Homopolymer and copolymer. On the basis of types of monomer or different types of monomer, polymer are classified into how many types? Two types. First called what here? Homopolymer, and second is called what here? What? Copolymer. So define the homopolymer. Question asked in examination. So those polymer which contain same kind or same type of or one type of monomer. The polymer which contain same kind, same type or what? One types of monomer. So it is called as homopolymer. Homo means single, same type. Example, polythene. Second example, polypropylene. And third example, nylon 6. And fourth example, nylon 6, 6. क्लियर? अब आप बताइए, क्वेश्चन आपके दिमाग में भी आएगा कि nylon 6 is the example of which polymer? Addition, condensation. But here nylon 6 is a compound which contain a what? Different types of monomer, but which are present in a straight line. So it is an example of what also? Nylon 6 is also example of which polymer? Homopolymer. Clear? Now we take the B, copolymer. Which polymer? Copolymer. So define the copolymer. So it is defined as those polymer which contain different kind or which contain more than two different monomer. So it is called as the copolymer. It's called as, or these monomer are present randomly. Randomly. So it is also called as the word copolymer. Example. For example, we take here Bona. Bona means butadiene, as called as styrene. So butadiene is styrene rubber or polymer. Next, Bona N means butadiene nitrile rubbers, and third is we take here etc. Okay, so it's all about the what here? Part classification of polymer based on intermolecular forces and classification of polymer based on kinds of or different kinds of or types of monomer. Clear? Question ऐसा अगर आपको classify the following monomer or polymer into, it may be homopolymer or copolymer. तो क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपको बुक में दिया हुआ है, उसको अच्छे से पढ़ना है. ठीक है? क्वेश्चन क्या आएगा? क्लासिफाई द मोनोमर पॉलीमर इनटू कोपोलीमर एंड व्हाट? होमोपॉलीमर. क्लियर? सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट द व्हाट? डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ व्हाट? Polymer based on intermolecular forces and based on the which forces or which types based on different kinds of monomer. Clear? अभी जितना भी हो चुका है हमारा क्लासिफिकेशन वगैरह ये आपको बुक में अवेलेबल है. पीडीएफ दी गई केमिस्ट्री की आपको, और वो पीडीएफ से आपको नोट्स निकालनी है. और कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो पर्सनली आपको नंबर दिया गया है, वो आपको मुझे कॉल करके पूछना है आपको. ठीक है? सिंपल टॉपिक है, बहुत इजी है. सिर्फ आपको डेली जो प्रैक्टिस करना है उसको मतलब खुद के वर्डिंग में उसकी नोट्स वगैरह तैयार करनी है. ठीक है? ओके, तो थैंक यू सो मच.